Hello, my name is Travis Lindsay, and I am the team leader of Team Energizers. Our group has been designing a product that can best be described as a portable, keyless, smart entryway system. The other members of the group include Hector Garcia and Ahmed Alhamud. Have you ever been in the situation where you may have left your keys to your home at the office, or even have locked yourself out of your own home? Well, my group, Team Energizers, took this problem as our objective to find a fix for. Thus, the goal of our project was to find just that. We wanted to design a simple, portable system that could allow oneself to enter and exit their home without the need of a key. Now, I will turn over to Ahmed for the objective of our project.
Hello, this is Ahmed Alhamud. The objective of our project was to understand how to manipulate the feature devices to do all the functions as we desired. The great part of the project was conducting the research to have a clear thought on how Bluetooth works and how the fingerprint scanner functions. For the opening and closing of the lock, we wanted to go with a DC motor, and we chose a stepper motor. Also, we wanted to be able to configure the camera and have it taking pictures, save them in a micro SD card, and ring the bell at once. Furthermore, we wanted our project to have the different devices communicating via Wi-Fi to maintain the portable idea of the project. Developing an app to unlock the system via Bluetooth was one of the main objectives of our project. Because of the nature of this project, powering the circuits with batteries was necessary to have the system independent of direct power. Now I will turn it over to Hector Garcia to talk about the scope of the project.
Hi, my name is Hector Garcia. We are designing a prototype portable keyless smart entryway system with many features that helps one enter and exit their home easier and keeps your house much safer. This prototype can be used by homeowners and also in commercial use. This project has a keyless lock with included fingerprint recognition, a camcorder for theft detection, and open, closed by a DC stepper motor, and finally, a lithium battery charger. I will now turn it over to Travis Lindsay.
Hello, now before you is the Gantt chart that we as a group put together to display the amount of time this project would take to be completed. This chart starts on the first day we started collaborating on what we would do for our senior project, and ends on the final day the project will need to be completed. Also, it displays the different areas of the project that will need to be taken care of and how much time went into each one. This also includes the specific dates of each area's start and finish. In the first area, we did research and collected information about our project. I, myself, researched different cameras that could be used along with which form of motion detection would be best.
I, Hector, did research on which motor would fit best for our project. After a couple of weeks of looking over a handful of different DC motors, I came to the conclusion that the DC stepper motor would fit best for our project. This is a two-phase bipolar motor rated at 3 volts with a 5mm diameter drive shaft. Another one of my tasks was to find a perfect fingerprint. This was a no-brainer and had to go with the 5V TTL scanner in order to have this project working 100%. This fingerprint scanner can store up to 20 different fingerprints and capable of 360 degrees fingerprint recognition. Not to mention the price of the fingerprint compared to other brands was a lot cheaper.
I, Ahmed, did a deep research on which microcontrollers to go with and picked what I believe the best choice, the Arduino. Because of the ease of the use, the lower price and the great amount of documentations over the web. I also have done a research on different Bluetooth and Wi-Fi modules and picked up the best ones in the market within the lowest price to meet our budget. After receiving the parts, I have downloaded all the necessary libraries to write all sketches for the circuits. The programming language was C++ via Arduino IDE. With the app that we developed, I have used one of the Evo Things apps and altered it with some knowledge in JavaScript and HTML to function perfectly with our project. After that, we tested every component individually to make sure all circuits work properly. Finally, we assembled every component into 2 packages that are linked wirelessly together.
Next, we have the project network diagram that also further shows the thought process behind our senior project. Much like the Gantt chart, the P&D shows the direction of the project and every step that had to be taken before we would move on to the next area. Now we will see the project in action. This now concludes our electrical engineering senior design project. Thank you.